Available from Dyna Rentals. The Boxer 700 HDX mini skid steer, featuring a stand-on platform with generous hip padding and added creature comforts for the operator. The Boxer 700 HDX is well balanced and has an excellent ground speed. Easy to use and will get your project done in no time. The Boxer seen here has a 24.8 horsepower Kubota engine, diesel that is, 707 pound operating capacity, 2020 tip capacity, dual hydrostatic operating system, piloted joystick controls with rocker activated auxiliaries. The Boxer 700 HDX is available for rent and sale. Check out availability at dynarentals.com.